Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
Is your phone refusing to charge? Before you spend money on a repair or a new battery, try these simple troubleshooting steps. In many cases, the problem is caused by a faulty cable, a dirty charging port, or a software issue, and you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the charging cable and adapter. The first thing to inspect is your charging cable. Look for frayed wires, bent connectors, or visible damage. Then try a different charging cable and a compatible wall adapter. If your phone starts charging, you've found the problem. Also, plug the charger into another power outlet to rule out issues with the socket. Step 2. Clean the charging port. A surprising number of charging problems are caused by dust and lint trapped inside the charging port. Turn off your phone first. Use a soft brush or a wooden or plastic toothpick to gently remove any debris. Avoid using metal objects, as they can damage the charging port. Once it's clean, reconnect the charger and check if the phone begins charging. Step 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes the problem isn't the hardware, it's the software. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that may interfere with charging. If a software update is available, install it, as updates often include fixes for charging-related bugs. Step 4. Test wireless charging, if supported. If your phone supports wireless charging, place it on a compatible wireless charger. If wireless charging works but wired charging doesn't, the issue may be with the charging cable or charging port rather than the battery. This simple test can help narrow down the cause. Step 5. Check for physical damage. Think about whether your phone has been dropped recently or exposed to water. Look for signs of damage around the charging port. If the phone becomes unusually hot, the battery appears swollen, or you notice corrosion, stop charging it immediately and have it inspected by a qualified technician. Step 6. Advanced troubleshooting. If you're using an iPhone, try performing a force restart. On Android, boot into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is interfering with charging. You can also check your battery health in your device settings, if that feature is available. If battery health is significantly degraded, replacing the battery may restore normal charging performance. When to get professional help? If you've tried different chargers, cleaned the charging port, restarted the phone, and the device still won't charge, the problem could be a damaged charging port, faulty battery, or internal hardware issue. At that point, it's best to visit an authorized repair center for a proper diagnosis. Conclusion. Most phones that won't charge can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Start with the cable, charger, and charging port before assuming the battery has failed. Working through these checks one by one can save you both time and money. For a more detailed guide, check out the article linked in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.